Assalamualaikum friends, today we'll discuss how to fix Windows 11 does not wake up from sleep. Click on the Start menu, then search Control Panel. Click Control Panel. Select Power option. Click the Change Plan Settings. Then click on Change Advanced Power Settings. Expand the PCI Express option. Select the Off option. Press the Apply. Then click on OK. Click Start menu. Click Search, then type CMD. Click Run as Administrator. Paste the command. The command will be given in the video description box. Click Enter. Click Close. Click Start menu. Click Search, then type CMD. Click Run as Administrator. Paste the command. The command will be given in the video description box. Click Enter. Paste the command. The command will be given in the video description box. Click Enter. Click Close. Click Start menu. Click Settings. Click on Windows Updates. Then click on Check for Updates. If there is any update pending or not. If the update is available, download it. Click Start menu. Click Settings. Click the System. Click Troubleshoot option. Select the other troubleshooter. Click Power option. Click Run. Click Apply the fix. Click Close. Right click Start menu. Then select Device Manager. Expand the mic and other pointer device option. Right click on the driver. Press the Update Driver options. Click on the Search automatically for drivers. Click Close. Right click on the driver. Press the update driver option. Select browse my computer. Then click let me pick. Click next. Click close. Select yes. Click start menu. Click search bar, then type control panel. Open control panel. Click on the power option. Click choose what the power button do. Click on the change settings that are currently unavailable. Turn off the fast startup option. Then click save changes. Thanks for watching.